Okay, we're going to go over getting the system set up. So the first thing we're going to do is turn it on, and this is in the amp rack there below the counter. You just switch that key from off to on, and you'll see that it kind of comes on in 3 stages. So you'll see the lights kick on the amplifiers and other equipment under there. Once everything is on, then we'll go up to the board, and you can see it's on because the screen's lit up. In the lower right corner in the scenes area, there's a button that says view. So press that button. That switches it to the scenes mode. And you'll see that it starts on the home tab, and you need to tab over to scenes. So you use that page select button on the right. So that moves it to scenes. Then you're going to use the leftmost knob below to scroll down and select the choir rehearsal scene. So you hit choir rehearsal, push that knob down to select it, and it's going to say, are you sure? And you just say yes, using that right hand key again. And then after you've got it loaded, you can hit view again to turn it back to the normal screen. So we're going to use channel 8 as our flute. So we hit the select button so that we can work with it. Then we go in and go up to the upper left corner of the board, and there's something called gain control there. We'll get there in a second here. Okay, and the microphone that we're going to use requires what's called phantom power, or 48 volts. So make sure that 48V light is on. You just press it to bring it on. And make sure the gain is probably somewhere around half or a little over. That should be good. If it's getting feedback, turn it down. If you can't hear it, turn it up. Now we're going to go to the monitor, so hit bus master on the left-hand side. Make sure that bus 1 and bus 2 are unmuted. Bus 1 is the chancel monitors, and bus 2 is the choir monitors. Then go back to the 1 through 16. Go up here, make sure that channel 8 is still selected, and then you're going to go to this bus sends area. So you want to make sure that the 1 through 4 light at the top is lit, because that means that those 4 knobs are controlling the 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that we already have bus 2, which is the choir monitors. We have that up some, so you can use that to adjust the volume in the choir monitors. If you want to set up a mic for the piano, we're going to use channel 15, which is choir left, I believe. So select it, go up there to the 1 through 4, and bring up the volume in the number 1. So this is the mic that you can use for the flute. And then here's where you plug it into plate number 8. And if you want a monitor for the flute so you can hear the flute can hear the piano, just grab one of the speakers that's laying around up there, plug one into a plate that says 1, and then plug the other end into the back of the monitor. And this is a little white monitor, but the black monitors have the same kind of plugs. So good luck.